else do we have? Zoom. I'm going to share the screen. Your screen will be okay. Let's go.
Good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Price of Patience. How
Your
are you all doing?
yeah, your screen's not showing, Mr. Ninja.
Mr. Ninja, okay, let me fix that quickly. What is happening? Connection failed actually, yes. Why? Screen, connect, start.
Good evening, everyone. Yeah, thank you guys for showing up to the Price of Patience once again, where the price of patience is always cheaper than the price of regret. All right. So while we're waiting for my friend to get his
We
thing
should be,
going,
we can try again, please.
3, 2, and you are live.
Okay, let's go. So, let's go quickly through what happened yesterday, what we what we were looking for yesterday. Uh, shall we start off the 4 hours? I mean, 4 hours did not change much. We had this continuation higher here. Um, but I think if you were here yesterday, we should zoom out a little bit. Because we said that if if we manage to break the 30,000 250s, 270s, we are about to see 30,500s, and we actually went up almost to 600. Actually, we touched the 600, so that was a good one. I think yesterday we were streaming here on this price action where we had this resistance zone this week on 1 hour. Uh, we did not manage to close a candle in the zone, so we had a nice rejection, and we came back to our original pattern, finding the only short of the session. Although this short or the pullback lasted a little bit longer than I expected, to be honest. I came back to the charts at the New York Open, and at the New York Open we just went for it and we never came back. So my opinion for today is it's pretty much similar as yesterday, I would say. I think we are due to a pullback and then continuation higher. I don't see this price action topping out at these prices. We have this trend line. We have previous week high at 30,967, 967.75. Um, what else? Let me check the volume profile quickly from this latest move down, just so I can see something. If we do it here and here, yeah, we are above everything already. So I guess we have to look at this consolidation volume profile at the top here. Is this right? No, it's not. There we go. Okay, we actually rejected the point of control of this consolidation we had at the top previously, like last week, 2 weeks ago. I would say if we manage to hold 300s, maybe we dip down into the zone that was resistance yesterday, maybe. But the next target to the upside would be, first target would be 730, 30,730, and then potentially higher to hit this trend line. And yeah, from there we have to see, because if we make here another lower high, so not wouldn't be horrible, but if we had here the top, then we had a lower high, another lower high, we can look for another lower high here, and then potentially pull back all the way down to the trend line, so we continue making the pennant or the flag that we are doing on the higher time frames. What's happening here? My trading view is bugging. Okay. So yeah, if we manage to make another lower high here, I would expect the move down to 29 29, maybe 30K. Maybe we come down and fix this weekly low. That's also possibilities, since we had this weekly open and the price went straight up. So we have no lower wick on the weekly candle. Um, yeah, that's bigger time frame. I think we're just continuing with the price section of yesterday. I'm I'm sorry, but I cannot. I don't know what's happening with my trading view. I got There we go. Okay. And then if we zoom in a little bit, let's go to 15 minutes. Let's try to find some potential entries for today. First and foremost, let's check the volume profile of this week. There we go. Okay, so we have point of control actually at the top. So a lot of volume is coming at the highs. We have a nice volume node at around 30K. I wouldn't like to see 30K from here. If we see 30K from here, then I would be skeptical for the continuation higher, at least for this week. But a lower volume node is around 250s. Again, that is this zone from yesterday. So resistance could flip to support and give us support we needed. We need to make another high here. If I turn on our SMA and EMA, let's go to 1 hour. Actually, we are at the SMA and EMA right now, and that was the same scenario yesterday when we came to 1 hour, 9 EMA and 14 SMA. We chopped around here a little bit, and then we had the move. So we might see the similar situation today, where we just chop around here, consolidate, and then after the London opens, we get that initial move, and then for the New York, we're gonna get another push or pull back. Um, we have to note that today we don't have much news, but we have Fed Chairman War speaks at 3 p.m. Actually 9 p.m. EST, so half an hour before the markets open, and then we have manufacturing PMI. Oh, and I see that President Trump speaks also today, like 45 minutes before the market close. So we could expect anything, I guess. Uh, and that will be also nice preparation for tomorrow, because tomorrow we have non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. Also, we have average hourly earnings. So, couple of potential catalysts for the price to move, for the volatility. Uh, we are right now sitting. Why is this? Wait a minute. This says previous week low here. That's not right. That cannot be right. I think something got. Yeah, this was the high. Monday, Friday. So this is the previous week low. My bad. Um. Yeah. Other than that, to be honest, guys, I don't see much. 2 hour time frame at the 9 EMA at the moment. So I guess we have to see some kind of structure that will give us the bottoming sign. Um, Let me check the market cipher. Nothing much on 5:30. Well, 30 minutes is actually rejecting the 9 EMA, so that tells me we might come a little bit lower. Maybe we come down to fix this week that we made earlier, and bottom maybe there somewhere at around 370, 400s. Mm-mm. Then if I take a volume profile, opa, Something is happening with my trading. This is not how it should be. So, okay, I have mixed signals here. I think potentially we might come a little bit lower, but this is also nice support, potential support. So I'm not certain at this point. We are in the middle. We are in the middle of nowhere. So I would like to see next half an hour. And then yeah, let's see how this half an hour plays out, and then what happens in the next hour. Next hour, like from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. my time, is usually when we get some kind of a move and a clearer indication of what will come next. So for now, just staying patient, I think, will be the most profitable thing. Do you have something to add? Do you have maybe something that you were looking at or thinking? Or you're not back yet, okay? Mm. Okay, so anyway, then let me clear these drawings from here. Uh, I don't know what's happening with my trading view, to be honest, but it's... I don't know if you guys have the same issue, but on the iPad, whenever I log in into a broker, everything starts tripping. Um, and since I'm scalping a lot, like on smaller time frames, I found this indicator that shows me bigger time frame candles. So I would need to adjust that one. I think I can remove this one. Let's try this one. HTF. Let's go with only one body. We can do it like this. Orders wicks like that. Okay, let's see what do we have. No, it disappeared. No. So no, I'm not able to see this right now. Hmm, that's interesting. There we go. So 4 hours.
Yeah, my bad. I had to handle some business, but how are we looking?
How are we looking? I think we're looking pretty similar like yesterday, to be honest. We are due to some pullback consolidation, and then we could continue higher.
Hmm. Yeah, I don't think we've been consolidating for a minute. There's nothing at market open that's going to really give us the reason to move. I'm surprised we moved under the so remember we have a really big key level at 30,507, 506, 507. It's been a
Mm-hmm.
really big point of control that price really
Mm-hmm.
loves to come to.
Mm-hmm.
It came there this session and it took that level serious before it broke through. And when you look left, you'll kind of see how that happened during New York. And then once we broke above, we pushed to a newer high, but we never made it to that next level up, which is around like 30,900. And that's where price will go if we could do a continuation, I think. Um, so right now, I would just be careful because we haven't, in order to sweep the lows, we need to get right where my mouse is, right around 30,264. to sweep
Your
below.
mouse
I
is,
think we
but
need to
are
go
you
that low before we
sharing
can
your
push up.
screen? Are you
You know.
sharing your screen?
No, no, I can't. I'm not in front of it right now.
Okay, okay.
But yeah, I think we need to go below 30,264 before we can really push.
Mm-hmm.
And I think when we do push, that 30,506 level is going to be something to keep an eye on. So I'd be looking for longs off of. It's actually a little lower than that. Like I wouldn't mind if we came all the way down to something like high 30,100, maybe even 30,000 flat, right around there. I wouldn't
Yeah.
mind if we did that before we took off.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll pretty much redo the same move that we did in New York and then a little bit
Mm-hmm.
higher.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's all going to happen pre-market or if it's going to
Mm-hmm.
save some for the New York session, but you know, the
That
forecast is to
aligns.
be in that range.
I think that aligns with what I said. I mean, with what I saw. And I would, before 30K, I would be watching for this 200, 250, like yesterday's resistance that we rejected from,
Hmm.
for potential support if we come that low. But yeah, we have bunch of EMAs, like we are rejecting the 9 EMA on the 30 minute, but we are bouncing from the 9 EMA on 2 hours. Um, Actually, 4 hour 9 EMA is a little bit lower at 280. So yeah, let's see if we're gonna catch the only short of the session again or what.
It's very possible. We can catch a nice one.
Good morning, good evening, Nicholas Donovan. Um, so we still miss that one subscriber to get to 50, huh? Yeah, I guess we might do that today.
Today we become famous on YouTube with
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
50,000 subscribers. Anyone who subscribes today, you can make us famous. You know, if you can get one friend to subscribe, isn't already subscribed. I know everyone's always getting their friends to subscribe to us because we're like the best channel to do the Asian session. Nobody does the Asian session like we do the Asian session.
True. Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah. So if you guys want to make us famous, you don't want to spend anything to do it, it's as easy as hitting that subscribe button. And I'm excited for you to be a part of this journey to our ascension to fame. We're not going to forget about the little people when we
For
get
sure not. For sure not. And it's been an interesting journey so far. So
when we start doing giveaways. We're going to remember the names we saw first. You know, when the
mm,
raffle tickets randomly land on someone.
yeah, randomly. Keyword.
Yeah.
Make sure you get your random spot on time.
Yep. Yep. Be the
Say good
first to get
morning.
your random spot. Yep. Say
Yeah.
good morning.
Yeah.
Say good morning.
Yeah.
It's the easiest way.
But yeah, we are quite slow. And yesterday of the New York Open, bro, we got like 200 points move within what, first 10 minutes.
Ridiculous. Yeah. It stopped me out on one account. I got stopped out and I had hit my daily loss limit because I was trying to catch the pullback of that big move and it pulled back more and then I went in again. It pulled back more and I went in again. Before I
Mm-hmm.
knew it,
Mm-hmm.
that was it.
Yeah, on
And right after the
25Ks,
last one.
yeah. With 25K accounts, you have to be really, really careful with that.
Hmm.
It happens super fast.
But man, if I just what the heck is that? Yeah, but if I had just chilled out, I would have passed that account, no problem.
Yeah, I had the same. I have a very, very similar situation. We were at 60s. I don't know what 60s. Was it 360 or what was it? Not even 360. I think it was 160 still. Anyway, after the stream, or just the
Mhm.
60s, just the 60s, 30,000 60s, and I wanted to short to the 40s, and I go short. I went short. I foamed out, and of course, we touched the 40s, and then I just blew it. Hit the daily loss because I was like eager to get another move after my move actually played out. So I was like, okay, never mind, I'm done for the day. I
Mhm.
used off all of my tokens. Um, so had to chill and wait for the new session.
That's good, man. Yeah, I got stuck. I realized that, just going through my own psychoanalysis of my trading, I have like one event every week where my discipline lacks. And then after that, I usually get on track. But I'm like,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
man, maybe I just need to paper trade until I realize the error of my ways and then trade for real.
I mean, I tried it too, but it's not the same.
Not the same, bro. You're never gonna have.
As soon as I hit paper trade, I'm making like 10, 12, 8K on a trade. I'm like, yeah, for sure. Of
Oh
course.
yeah, of
Of
course.
course. So yeah. I think I don't get me wrong, paper trading is good, but I think um more in the beginning when you're actually learning the first strategies and when you're learning how to execute, you know. So instead of risking money, you get to learn for free. That's fine. Or right now, if we're gonna backtest something, then yeah, I would go paper trading probably. But other than that, I didn't find it that useful after I already like learned what
Yeah, once
trading
you
is and how to
understand,
trade.
exactly. Yeah, I agree. Once you know levels and once
Yeah.
there was a part of my trading where I didn't even know about key levels.
Mm.
And I can't imagine trading without key levels now. And I was successful at a lot of times. I was very successful
Mhm.
without key levels. And I'm like, huh, how could I? I mean, there's
Okay.
plenty of times. Depends on your strategy, I guess.
Yeah, strategy and luck.
Yeah. Beginner's luck is a thing. Like I
Oh
think
yeah, oh, 100%.
my first couple of months in trading, I was like, this is easy. How are people that are doing this longer than me losing money? I must have been like made for this. And then eventually, it's like the
Yeah.
more you learn, the more
You
difficult trading can become.
no, I think I agree, but I think the more you learn, you get to overcomplicate things.
Hmm.
And trading, in my opinion, isn't easy, but it should be simple.
Mm.
Um, you get to learn. You have to learn. You have to understand the candles, and it can look overwhelming at the beginning.
Hmm.
But then you just have to keep it simple, not overcomplicate things because there is so many indicators, so many tools, so many strategies, like so many things that you can trade, like breakouts, reversals, continuations, whatever, right? So
Hmm.
just stick to something that you like and keep it simple.
Hmm.
So yeah,
So the
this look.
most important thing that has
Mm,
always been the biggest thing to know when trading is the trend is your friend
yeah, until it isn't, right?
until
But
until it reverses.
yeah, yeah, but yeah, that yeah, for sure,
I
for
think
sure.
where my beginner's luck ended is when I started to try and trade um, kind of like both ways, like have the perfect exit, the perfect entry, trading calls and puts and shorts and longs. Like as soon as I get out of a long, enter a short because I think this is exactly where
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
like when you think you know exactly what the market's going to do, I think that's when you might do your worst trading.
Yeah. How did there was one guy like having a presentation, but it seemed like a serious guy, like whatever institutional trader or whatever. He said, whenever your trade looks easy, you're probably you're gonna probably get sexually violated. I was
Right.
like, what? Like in a room full of people listening to the presentation. I was like, okay, I guess he has the point.
Yeah. Yeah, the more confident you are in your trade, the
Yeah.
less like I think. Well, they said there's this one channel called S&B Capital. They're institutional traders who trade at a desk, and they teach you all types of stuff because they want you, the viewer, to turn into someone who trades at their desk. So they teach some pretty valuable strategies,
Okay.
and they give lessons. So what they do is they ask. I mean, the presentation that they had said, hey, if you are on a scale of 1 to 10, the trades that you rate at a confidence level of a 7 are typically their best trades.
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm-hmm.
the ones that are tens are a
Are
lot of
the
times
worst.
the worst trade. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah, the market will make a fool of you as soon as you tell yourself you know what the market did. But the reason is most people think they know what the market's going to do because they've been right the last 3 times.
Yeah, and that's when the market will do the opposite thing.
Mhm. Yeah, that's when it'll show you who's boss.
Who's the boss? I'm still waiting. I'm thinking maybe grabbing a short around here somewhere. We had a nice topping candle on the 5 minute. If we manage to make like a lower high here, I would like to see a move down into 400s. It's a 60-ish points move. Nothing too crazy. And I really don't want to go with 35 contracts for now, I think. Mm, mm, that would be the idea, but I'm not sure yet. Uh,
And if I'm almost finished in the kitchen, so I'm
yeah,
about to step up these charts a little bit and
no worries, no worries. You're not missing out on anything, so everything is quite slow still.
little scalpy scalps.
Scalp, not even that yet. Not even. At least I don't see it yet.
Not seeing the scalpy scalps. What about on the 3 minute? Not seeing the 3 minute scalpy scalps, the highers, the lowers, and things like that. I think there might be something out there because my trade consolidation, I like the 5 minute, the 15 minute, 3 minute, and they'll show you things. They'll show you things. I doubt, with this much sideways action, I doubt any EMAs are being respected. It's probably
Yep, no,
extremely
at the
difficult.
moment, no, and I'm just, I was just thinking to just remove them because when we are not trending, then they just confuse me.
Mhm. Okay, okay. Here we go now. Just need this. Sit for a few hours. Voila. All right, almost done cooking in the kitchen so I can cook in these charts.
In the charts, okay, that's
My crock pot is hot. Making some vegan nacho beef out of walnuts.
okay, okay. Sounds good, man.
Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It was good last time I made it, and now it's gonna be even better.
Should make a cooking session here.
Yeah, we're gonna cook on these charts next. Gonna have some vegan beef with these charts. Oh, I forgot one of my seasonings. That's what happened. Did I?
You forgot the indicator.
I forgot the indicator. Oh, no, I didn't. No, I got it. Just remember putting that one. I thought I didn't put in this one seasoning. I think we got our onions, we got our oil, got sauce. My sauce is saucy.
Okay, 5. When is this closing? 3 minutes. Okay. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, 10. What if I remove this and I put only 20 candles? There we go. Maybe even more. Found this indicator like a while ago, but I did not use it. And yesterday I realized that it may be actually useful.
Yeah.
What is this now? Like it shows the higher time frame. You can choose which time frame you want to see. For example, I'm on 1 minute time frame, but next to it I can see the 5 minute time frame. So when I'm scalping, it could be helpful actually. I just need to adjust it.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Little scalping.
Scalping session. We are approaching the area that I wanted to short potentially, so risk to reward could be there, but we are still going higher, so let's see.
We didn't sweep the lows. I'm calling false breakout, and the risk rewards enough for me to be right or wrong. So hopefully I can get to that trade in time. Just putting the magical amounts of water in this because it's going to be sitting overnight.
I'm short. I'm short. Risking 300 for 2K, so it's opportunistic, but let's see.
Bay leaves. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. This is going to be good. This is good. Okay, perfect. It's 12. Nice. I'll leave it on low.
Leaving the mill on the lower time frame, so
Great. Some preference. About run it over. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this somewhere. Let me see. Bad. Where is the okay? Just go back to anything. This is right. How's your short going?
Ah, I went a little bit in green now, break even. At least we're not pushing higher yet, so we'll see.
Are we at an 80 or a 20?
Uh, what?
Are we at an 80 or a 20?
No, actually we rejected the 70s. And before that the top was, I was just looking at it. My entry is 67.50 for 67.50.
Mm.
Um, and I was just thinking, yeah, maybe we should wait for the 80 because my stop loss is at 77. So yeah, now we are pushing higher. So yeah, we might take the lows, the highs, and then come down if we're gonna come down. So
Interesting.
but this is what I wanted to see on 5 minutes. If we manage to close the 5 minute candle in a minute like this, um, we came up, fill the wick, uh, and we're gonna close below. Um, if we close like this in 30 seconds, that could be a nice lower high on the 5 minutes too. So
That's love. That's what we like to see.
yeah, yeah. So
I mean, I was able to pull off a short in the New York session today when I saw just waiting for a reversal candle. And, it's like market was behaving today. Like NASDAQ was acting like a well behaved dog on a leash, and it still wandered a little, but it was a well behaved dog on a leash. It wasn't like a dog at the park running wild and you're trying to
yeah,
catch it.
yeah, true, true. It picked the direction and it went.
Oh, man. It did. And it was really aggressive buyers, which made me feel like there's going to be a continuation.
Yep, I would
So,
think so. I would think so. At least a little bit more, and then we have to see if we want to go new all-time highs or we're gonna reject again.
yeah, let me look at. Okay, so I'm back a little bit. I am back now. Let's see, where are we at? We're at 34.69. Did we sweep the lows? We did not, but we did. No, we didn't sweep the lows at all. Okay,
No.
we're actually heading back up.
And I was wrong about this 5 minute candle. Actually, it closes now in a minute. I was looking at the wrong countdown.
Ah, okay.
So let's see what will happen.
Is this the low sweep we're looking for, or it could be here? If I were a flag, I think that might be it. We might have already swept the lows. It's a confusing little flag.
No, I'm looking at the bigger, like a bigger flag. Not even a flag. I don't know what it is, but I would like to see the 400s again.
Hmm,
Like 70 points move from here.
400's flat, yeah. I don't know if we're gonna get to the that 506 level first, but we might if we push through the 70s, that's where I'd look to go
Mm,
short.
yeah,
But if we reject the 80s hard enough, then we could start the short there.
you
So
got
I'm
the
waiting to
point
see.
then.
Waiting to see. I would not mind shorting 506 and just letting that go down. Oh, where would I go? Oh, I don't know. But hopefully I can get at least 100 points.
Hmm. Pretty slow price action actually. Usually we get more movement. Oh, the hourly candle actually closes in 5 minutes, so let's see.
Or the candle is about to close. Let me get that nice little 1 o'clock.
Uh-huh. Exactly.
1 o'clock price action.
Hmm.
Oh man. Okay.
Chilling like a
Time
fan.
chilling like a fan, my good man.
There we go.
Mhm. Oh, this candle looks like it's ready to drop it. Sub. I don't think it is though. I think the sellers are trying to take their stand, but let's see what the buyers can do by the time this candle's about to close.
Let's see, let's see. If this continues, this might be the perfect short entry.
Yeah, that would be nice. That'd be nice. Um, do we have an equal? It's a slightly, is it equal or lower? Let me see. I'm looking on the 15 minute, and this would be a lower high. So that'd be interesting. But we're in a
Yes,
bear flag. You know,
exactly, yeah.
this whole thing is a bear flag. So you could have caught the top of the bear flag. Just if I were a bear, if I were a bear flag, if I were a bear flag, if I were a bear flag, I would I'd go a little higher first.
Don't say that.
I know. I know. It doesn't sound good. It's probably not the right thing to say. But good thing for you, I'm not a bear flag. So
If I was a flag, I I won't continue that. No, no, I won't continue
if I was a flag, I'd be getting high as shit.
that.
Breeze in the wind, bro.
Yeah, but nice. I got a nice move here. What is it? 67, 17, 20 points.
Yeah, that's a nice. Yeah, you came up a nice little 20 pointer.
Yeah. Let's see. I don't want to close it because my idea was that we get lower. So if I was scalping now, that would have been a very nice scalp.
Order
And
filled.
I'm up nicely already, like $500. Um, well, let's not touch. Let's practice. Let's practice.
Hey, it's coming down.
How did the 15-minute close? Didn't yet. Yeah.
Oh, we got 3 minutes. If this candle closes like that, all shorts on deck.
Mm. 3 minutes. No, we have 1 minute until the 15-minute close.
Yeah, it looks nasty,
Whoa,
bro.
it looks amazing. It looks amazing. Minimal drawdown, and off we go. Now we are approaching a trend line on 1 minute, so let's see if we're gonna continue here.
Man, called the top of the bear flag. It's a weird top.
Weird top, yeah. I was watching like not even at top of a bear flag, I mean sort of yes, but just that some kind of a rounded top, or actually double top on 3 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. Um, and if I put this thing here, um,
Oh, we not closed like that. It's sorry, buyers. I don't know what to tell you. It's not looking good. Can't be
it's
closing candles like that and be bullish. So
yeah, that's anyway.
yeah, if I'm a buyer, I just jump ship. I'm done ski.
Let's see. New 5 minute candle.
What will they do? What will the candle do?
And yesterday after the stream, how we went lower. I was a little bit sorry that I influenced you closing the short.
Oh yeah, no, you're fine. It was interesting how price went right to the 90 MA and then continued
Mm-hmm.
to drop. And I'm surprised I didn't think of that. That could be something happening. And it was cool, man. I still
Yeah, but
made
it
money.
was quite violent move up at that like moment. So I was like, whoa.
Mhm. Yeah, it was for sure. It's cool. You never know, man. You never know. And hey, I mean, it never hurts to just say what you got on your mind. At the end of the day, it's still the trader's choice.
That is true, huh?
Anyone who's ever been in the Discord has had to make swift decisions on on the fly, with everyone saying everything.
Yeah. Pick your Pokemon.
You know, Jordan, so I choose you.
um, yeah.
200 EMA, go.
Mm. But Carlos's 800 EMA is also working nicely.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. Like, I wonder where the
Hmm.
8 EMA it is.
But he's
Somewhere
like
out
gone.
there.
He's gone, bro.
Yeah, Carlos
Have to
busy.
tease him a little bit. I haven't
Mm-hmm.
joined the Zoom yesterday, but I have to tease him today a little bit.
Okay, what are we doing, Price? Are we going up? Or are we going? I know we want to
This
go down.
is this is a potential support here, so wouldn't be bad to take profits here, but I wanted to add at the top when I was in a drawdown, but I was like, nah, not yet, and then we had a nice move.
Mm-hmm.
If I had added, I would have been already nicely, like I would for sure TP one here. Right now, if I TP and if it goes to my take profit, then I ruin my risk to reward. If I don't take profit and we come up, I will be again like, nah. But that's why I said let's practice. I had an idea. Let's see if that idea can play out.
Yeah, we're talking about the first candle of the 1 o'clock hour. So,
Oh yes, true. Oh yeah, let me check 1 hour candle. That might have been the fake move, but I wouldn't. I think. But now I just had a flashback. We said that the last week, I believe, or 2 weeks ago, when we had, oh yes, this hour should do this, and then we just chopped around, and 3 hours later we got a move. So yeah, this might be the sign to take some profits here. Still up nicely, like 750, 700. So
mm,
uh, but where is everyone today? Everyone's sleeping,
it's crazy, man. They don't like consolidation.
huh?
Just don't like consolidation.
Chop solidation.
Everyone likes candles going sideways.
And this was 67 to 30. A nice 30 points move.
Mm,
Nothing wrong with that.
not at all. Not at all. Okay, I think we're doing something. What
Yeah.
exactly is happening now? Hmm. Yeah, interesting. What will you do, price action? You still in?
Yeah, I haven't touched
Nice.
it.
Nice, nice.
I mean, let's see. Now we are at 1 minute 14 SMA, and it's looking like potential head and shoulders on 1 minute. So I'm thinking about adding here, but mm, I don't know really. I'm not too convinced. If I do, like,
Hmm.
oh well, I added here. Let's see.
See.
They completely ruined my entry. That's fine. Stop loss here.
Once it goes down,
Take profit here. Let's go. We can go back down.
after that last candle, you would think, why not? Why
Mm.
not?
Yeah, or we can just go up.
Too. That could happen.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Why is there so much lag? That's crazy. Am I still in a position or not? Okay, great. There we go. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Fine. It's fine.
Okay. All right.
I'm gonna give it another go.
Consolidation. Um, okay. It's pushing a little.
Yeah. Too much for my liking at the moment, but okay. That's okay.
At least it's still a bear flag.
And again, lesson learned, like it's NQ. It can do whatever it wants, so take profits, you know.
Mm.
Like, nothing wrong with that.
This thing is just like going sideways. Let's see. Is it gonna go
What
all
up,
the
my
way up?
boys? Good evening.
Oh,
Good evening.
we got our regulars coming through. Yep, we are out here doing what we do best, scalping up NQ. Diane Ruiz. Diane. Okay, I see you. You're
I
big,
don't
man.
wanna. I don't wanna say what I did. I mean, I added. I got stopped partially, and then I just full ported, and it's paying up. Paying
Yeah,
out.
it came down. It definitely came down.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that candle.
Nice. I'm up. I don't wanna say anything. Let's go. What was that? 444. Um, five, like 10 points. I need 13 more points, so 45. Let's say 30. I'm gonna take profits at 30 if I can. If I get that. It's me, Carlos. Bro,
Oh, Rui. Okay.
you got us. Nice.
Wife's account. Yeah. Oh, it's loose. That's what's up, bro.
Are
Oh
you
yeah.
relaxed? Are you relaxed, Carlos? Well, I was laughing yesterday in his Discord guy told him to relax. I was laughing so bad.
Carlos relaxed? No way.
Yeah. No way, Jose.
Yeah, Carlos, your wife's account's one of our biggest fans.
Yeah.
If anybody doesn't know Carlos, he's a legendary trader who trades with us from time to time when he can spare the time. But he's really busy doing tours of teaching people how to trade and
Yeah.
like signing autographs, kissing babies. It's kind of his thing. So we do our best. We do
Uh,
trying to accommodate him when he has time to grace us with his presence.
yeah. Yeah. I couldn't have said it better myself. That was a nice.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, NQ does what Carlos does.
Kissing babies.
That's crazy. I haven't seen NQ kiss any babies in a while, but I'm pretty sure it does.
and teaching people how to trade.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, NQ definitely does that.
Hmm.
This is a lot of people have paid a full year's tuition to NQ already,
Oh
and
yeah.
it's not even
Oh yeah.
tuition early. Like most people go to college and they just are on a payment plan, but with NQ, you can pay your tuition in half a year, 3 months. People are really ambitious when it comes to paying their tuition with NQ.
This is going back up. I think I want to. Mm.
Pull a Carlos, put your stop in profit. What would Carlos do?
What would Carlos do? Yeah. What would Carlos do? WDC. That will be our new strategy. WWDC.
Mm-hmm. Thing is serious. This candle is seriously trying to die.
Let's go 10 more points. Like 10 more points. I'm gonna take partials for sure. Now I'm still thinking this is not looking. This is what is this? This is 15 seconds. Let me look at the 5. Was this a fake out or this is turning? You know what? Market buy. I'm out. 40 contracts out. Can leave the runners. uh, buy stop 20, and that can go in profit. There we go. Nice. And what did we do here now? What? Actually I secured 8, 3x 700. Should probably take a little bit more. Now it will drop. Shall I add back here? Yeah, probably. Probably.
And what would we
Why not?
do?
Why not? Risk it for the biscuit.
We
Yep.
keep closing
I'm out.
above the 15-minute 14 SMA.
Yep.
Not like the SMAs really don't matter when you're sideways, but we've closed above it 3 times, 3 15-minute candles in a row now. So it's pretty weird. Pretty weird. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get an explosive move tonight, but if so, I'll be here for it. My eyes are peeled. We are professional.
Candle watchers, right?
Candlestick watchers. Whoa, you know what? There should have been a pause in there. Right. It's pretty crazy work. We chose to be professional candlestick watchers today. You volunteered for that. I got to talk to my agent about these names. So
Ah,
we're gonna work on it. Okay. Let's see what happens
what's
next.
happening here? I think I should go out from here. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Go out. Go out. Okay.
Okay, great. Because I've been meaning to tell you, I've been in
Yeah,
long.
yeah. 800. Okay. I mean, 800 up. Still not bad. Was better, but okay.
It's great you did it. Yeah, I didn't want to deter you. I've been in longs for quite
Yeah,
some
yeah.
time now.
But I
Just
think we still might come lower.
yeah, we could, especially with that 15-minute candle from
Mm-hmm.
before 1 o'clock.
And even look at the 5 minute double top. Double top actually with some bearishness on the market cipher. Um, I'm say 8. So 2 and 3. 3200 I would need to make still. No. Mm, let's see.
All right. What are we gonna do next? We have so close to my entry.
What do you mean so close to your entry for the long?
Yep. I am.
I went short again. I mean,
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. Price is having a hard time staying up right now.
haven't full ported yet though, but
Oh, so basically he hasn't even traded yet, y'all. That's what that means. Till we get a full port, then it's just an innocent bystander. But listen, if you're on the sidelines and you're trading anything, and you haven't subscribed already, definitely give us a little subscribe. Hit that like button at the very least. If you are a subscriber, no reason you shouldn't hit the like button. You're already subscribed and watching. Just go ahead and
Mhm.
do the third best thing to do. If you're already subscribed, you're already watching, you might as well that like button.
But
You can hit the like button because you like how Nick's chart set up, because you like our logo, you like our scrolling ticker. You hit it for a lot of reasons.
yeah, maybe we just came to hear Carlos, but he's not here with us right now.
Mm-hmm.
uh, what just happened? Okay, my short just lagged big time.
Yeah, it's either gonna drop hard and
I mean, I went out, now I went back in, but it took like few seconds to actually enter. So
mm,
let's see. Let's see. Mm, 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 mm. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Did Mexico win? Did Mexico play yesterday? What happened yesterday? I haven't looked. I haven't watched.
mm.
I don't think you follow World Cup. One.
Seen a couple games in passing, but I've been working so much I haven't even
Mm. Mm.
Heard what's going on, but I heard Mexico's like a big wild card. Like they're really underrated right now.
Mm.
Like a lot of people are doing sports betting, and if you bet on Mexico, their odds are really low.
Okay,
But they have a
so
great team.
yeah, I mean, I when I was watching football as a
Stop
kid,
field.
Mexico was more than good. So I think I'm gonna take some of profits here again. Let's not be stupid. 10 runners. No, let's go to 5 runners. Buy stop, buy 5. Okay, 5 runners are okay. What did I secure here? 100 unrealized, 1500, 1400. Okay, that's okay. It's okay. Now we can continue. And it seems my first, bro, my first short was actually perfect.
Yeah, that was a great.
It
That was a
was
great,
perfect. No.
excellent entry.
And where we at right now? Yeah. Is this now short the bottom scenario? I think so, bro. I think so.
It looks like we could be ready to really drop low.
Yeah, 400s, maybe even lower, or 380s, but let's say 400s. That would be 30 points from here, okay. Potentially nice profits to be made, but I have to wait for some kind of a pullback. I mean, move
Yeah.
up. But you know what? How much do I have here? 140. I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take some more profits here, just in case. We bounce hard from here, stop loss in profit, and now I can start adding to my short slowly, because if we're gonna drop, I think we're gonna drop quickly to 400 from here. Yep, there we go, there we go. What do I have? So 23. Let's go. And it was a little bit impatient here. And let's see. Yep, it was a little bit impatient, I would say.
Hmm.
A little bit patient. I will go out, and now let's see what will happen. So that's fine. I lost 150 now, so I'm up 1362 for the session.
Very nice.
Still good, yeah. I would say I can risk another 360, because the 1,000 will bring the account back to life. Space for padding from current. Let me just check something. Yeah, there we go. 20. Give me a little bit more space here, please. 20. Let's make it 35. There we go. Okay, okay. I'm tempted to try the short here. We have 440s. 80s are too far out. 435. I'm short. Bro, the slippage and the delay. Oh my god.
As
It
soon as you
takes
went through,
what is
back
this?
down.
37. Okay, maybe 2 points, but still 2 points on MMQ.
Mm-hmm.
It's not small amount, and that instead of yeah. Okay. Will they fake me out like that? And go back up?
It seems to be pretty comfortable on these 30s.
Yeah. Try to trail my stop loss. I don't particularly like that. This might go. This might have a nasty candle to the upside here. Good.
All right, we're in the low 30s.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't know. I'm out. I'm out break even. I don't wanna. This might be. Just wanted to say this is the zone where I should go out or where I should add. Oh. Because something will happen here. We're gonna come down to 400 now, or we're gonna bounce back up to I don't know where, but invalidate that short that I had. So I decided to go out. And I might go back in just to preserve my yep. Let's see. Risk to reward is fine. Let me now just try to find some kind of confirmation here. This looks like it looks like anything can happen really. Let's give it a try. The risk is not huge here. 400, but I'm out. Yeah, okay. Was this a tremendous fake out? Was this a fake out? No, what did I do now? Okay. I went in by accident, but it turns out it was a perfect accident. Oh my God. Oh my God, it was a perfect accident. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Oh my God, bro.
Did you
Oh
get
my
ready?
God. Oh my God. I went at 440.25 by accident.
Oh, that
And
was
the high
perfect.
was 441. Jesus Christ. Okay. Now just don't make a double bottom, but continue dropping. I will see this as a free as a free trade because I did not want to go in here.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
It is.
Went-
This was a little bit crazy, yeah. Now we can add here. Let's go. Now you can drop. Now you have a permission to drop. I allow you to be great in dropping quickly, like you know. I wouldn't be mad if you stop me. Of course, I would prefer if you drop, but however you like. However you prefer, my dear NQ.
Yeah, we're back in the low 30s. Like this thing want to break down, but does it want to break down? Does it?
It's trying not to, but I think it's coming.
Mm. Yeah, you're right. It could be one of those times.
What since I went in by accident here and then I added, I think what I want to do is what I have 15.35, so maybe I just take 35 out. Market. Do I want to do that? Think. Yeah, now it's too late for that. See. Yep, I could stop. Okay, that's fine. 800 up. Okay. Okay. And now the question is, are we ready to go back in? Because this will drop. This was last liquidity hunt. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah.
But I want to participate in the drop. That's my thinking. I really want to participate in the drop because it's gonna be very quick,
Mhm.
and I think it we can make money on it. So this is the high that keeps rejecting. So I will try it here. Even if I get stopped here, I'm okay with that. I just gave it a go. Yeah, I'm out.
There we go. Okay, we're in 43.
I'm short again.
Yeah, I like this area for shorts.
Not yet. Okay. What is the time? 7:30. So we are half an hour in that 1 hour candle that should have give us a move.
Yeah, but still going to the right.
Double top with lower high on the bear on the momentum. Is it time to drop? Is it? People will tell me I'm crazy. I'm looking at the 5-second chart, but hey. But I mean, sorry, what did I say? um. Yeah, now we just need to lose this bottom here. Let's go. Third up it.
Oh, there you go, back in the 30s.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, Now I just need to drop it for real. For real, for real. Like, there we go. Yep. Yep.
That was your
Yep.
T. That was
Let's
your
go.
TP.
Is it my TP, you think? Yeah.
Your original TP was at 30.
Original, yeah.
Your CP1.
CP.
Now we jump right back into the mid 30s.
Yeah, we went straight back up, but we are struggling. And if we can reject from here somewhere, I might add and then start taking profits as we drop. Yeah, red. Let's go. I let you to drop. I allow you to drop. You allow me to be great. And we'll be friends for a long, long time. But, okay. If you want to take some of my stop loss while in profit, that's okay too. I understand completely. But I think we both know I want to come down. But now I have to be ready by markets. Okay, let's go. There we go.
Uh-oh. Go bear flag. Time to do your thing.
Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, lose these lows. We have some potential support here still, but
And what's up to the 20s down there?
20s for sure. But right here at the 27, 26, 27. And you know what? I don't want to play this game. I will take half of the position. No, not yet half. Not half. Not half.
Nice
Half I
trade.
take at it's a lovely trade. At 22, I will take half out at 22. I cannot. Let me try again. Let's go. Let's go. But what did I said earlier? If we drop, we're gonna drop. And do I want to take some at the 20s? Yeah, probably yes. Probably yes. Come on. That's 2K. Oh, come on. I missed it for 2 points.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I missed the TP for 2 points. I need it to come down again. Come on, take it.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, don't give me these vibes now for violent market. Bro. Uh no, I should have gone out market orders. Market orders 30. And that's again 32. And again 20 points. I'm not taking profit. That's just crazy. Now you have all the rights to call me crazy. Full port and not take profits at 20 points. That's a little bit irresponsible, maybe. Oh, I'll just close this. Look, I'll just close this. And what did I do? Nothing. Your second round trip of the session, bro. Okay, let's go again. Let's go again. 3 minutes EMAs here. 400 target. Okay. Okay. Well, my TP was missed for what was the low of this candle. I'm curious. Low 20, 2 points. Not even less than 2 points. I guess it happened. You went long or you didn't? from the 20s. Guess you didn't. Okay. 5 minutes, 14 SMA. Let's go. Go back on my small time frames. This can go either way. This can go either way. Shame, guys. Shame. Lesson learned. Take your profits. Take your freaking profits when you see them. Yep. Still think we will reach those 400s. Bro. Is someone from the chat in some kind of a trade, or you're just watching? If you're just watching, that's also fine. I round trip 2 times. I still think we might come lower. If we take a look at this 5-minute thing, this does not look like the bottom to me. Double top with bear divs. I guess I would love that we fix this week here. That's why my TP is at 400. I don't want to risk that we come this close and then bounce, but yeah, and I don't even know what 900, 600. Yeah, I was up a bit more than this, but okay. We are dropping now. There we go. Can we now have a follow through? Can we have a follow through finally? I was ready to add. I waited. Now I need. This is giving me a dump vibes. Definitely not a place to add to a position here. If something, then it's should take profits, but at this point I just want to see a drop. Like a nice 35 points drop out of nowhere, because this has been coiling up for quite some time now, so this might have been my ad. There we go. Stop by 15. I'm gonna stop some in profits, some in loss. This is usually like when we range and we fake out the lows, we took the highs, now we could drop.
Jeez, seen 25 and 40 more than anything else. So 15 range.
Yep. Um, Liquidity sweep to the downside and to the upside. Now I guess it's time to move. Who is in a position? It's in a position. Who's not here? I
Mm,
guess now there's nothing holding us back because we even took these lows here, 25, yeah, and then we took the highs at 45, and now we are again flirting with the 30s. I'm gonna get my first stop loss in the profits. Let's see. I want to add again. I don't even care at this point. I know what I see. I know what I saw so many times happen. So this is a game of patience now. Um, and this round tripping usually would make me, like lose my mind and just stop. But I still believe that this is just a liquidity sweep. After liquidity sweep, I got stopped again. I will be ready to go in again at the highs. Has been what maximum orders? How is this? Oh, not 1,500 contracts that I don't want to do. So. But now, see, couple of seconds and my risk to reward is pretty much ruined. I will go in here and I will put my stop loss way too tight just in case. If I get stopped, become higher, I will go in again. This is now. This is it now. You in something, bro? Okay. Okay. Whatever. Where are we at right now? Minus 930. Okay. We are out. We are out. We will drop finally. Okay. 400s. 400s. 400. Let's go. That's just 35 points. Well, but what would be my TP here? 28. Okay, that's fine. That would be a perfect TP if we can get there. If we can get there. Now we have to drop this because we held this level so many times so far. So really, I don't see us bouncing from here, but I don't see us even holding this level for this many times. It just, from technical perspective, it doesn't make any sense. Even if I go on 5 minutes here, we can see so many wicks here, like 1, 2, let's say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10 times, and we just closed the candle, the lowest, like the lowest 5-minute candle close that we had in a while. So I guess this is just a continuation now, like down from the experience. And this might be the ad opportunity.
good time to go long. I think it's a good time here.
Nah, I mean potentially, but I was just saying, like we tested and bounced from this level so many times. I don't see. I mean, how many more times can we hold this?
Yeah, I agree with that. Buy
For how long can we hold this? And those being like 20, 30, 25 points move every time when we came here. So um, I would like to see the drop. Really, I'm trying to short this for half an hour now and
This thing's just going to the right.
to the right. Yeah, but see, I keep getting stopped out. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy, really. But I'm persistent, bro. I think we're gonna get that 400 sooner rather than later.
Yeah, should be coming. Little bit of a drop coming. Boom. We can just go straight up from there to the top of this
And we are
consolidation.
approaching 2 o'clock candle too. So I don't know if you want to call it a night.
Yeah, we'll give it till 2. Then we can get out of here and let the candles continue to go to the right. Because
Yeah, finally. Can we see a drop finally? Come on. I've been long shorting this for an hour now.
yeah, I can see.
Round trip 2.5 times, trimmed some profits, got stopped out so many times, went back in, made those losses back. Now it's time to drop finally. And
Anybody scalping from 45 to 30, you should be rich.
yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm new here. Oh, Kuku. Welcome, brother.
A cuckoo.
Are you just new to the channel or are you new to trading too? That's the question. But anyway, we are happy to have you. So, welcome. Make sure you press subscribe. We need one more subscribe button to reach 50 subscribers. Quite a achievement for us.
Yeah, we're going places. Unlike this price.
Yeah.
More
I mean,
subscribers.
look at the 5-minute candles, bro. How many weeks can we survive? How many more?
It's gotta do something soon. You would think. You would think.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back in the 20s. Probably gonna at least go to 25, but that's the problem. Once we actually get to 20, that'll act as support. We haven't
Yep.
even been there yet.
It sure does. It sure does. At this point, I don't even know how much I need to make for equities. 40, so that's 330, 4,300. Okay. As if we drop from here to our 400 finally, I think that would be enough.
To the left, to the right.
Mm. Left, left, right, left.
That'd be something else. We'll start going left. Are we gonna drop or
There, come on, it's time.
it's gotta drop?
It's
Full
time.
port. No, it's time to
This.
full port. I'm going all in.
I mean, I went 4 times all in. I round trip 2 times, took partials 1 time. Now it's time to drop and end up the session on a high end, on a high note. Yeah, it's struggling. It's struggling to do. Somebody or something or someone or I don't know. Something is holding this price here, and It's becoming a little bit frustrating. Not that I'm getting frustrated, because I guess we learned already how NQ is moving, but come on, guys, let's just drop it. You know.
Yeah. How many times are we gonna go up in that?
Oh my God. Okay. Okay. What? What?
I don't know. Everything in the 40s seems like a fair game to short.
Yeah, but only time I take profits is when I get stopped in the profits. So come on, like, just drop it, and you will see when we drop, it's gonna be so quick that you won't get any opportunity to go in. That's why I want to be in. That's why I keep shorting this thing, and that's why I'm okay with being stopped so many times. I just keep adding and getting stopped, and then stopped in profits, and then round and around we go.
Mm-hmm. 36, 35, 34.
Nope. Again, we go higher.
Mm-hmm.
This is crazy. This is
I guess we're waiting on London Open or something.
or
Waiting,
something or something.
waiting for something. Anyone have earnings today?
I have no idea, to be honest.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna just go short again. Um, oh, yeah, 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 yeah. There we go. Come on.
And this looks good. This looks good for sellers.
Finally looks okay. No. TP 400, 360, okay. 26. That should be okay. Can we finally lose this level, please? But an amazing scalping session, to be honest. I was thinking it's gonna be straight, like more straightforward to the downside. It's been a scalping session, so should have adapted sooner. But okay.
Yeah, it would have been a great time to just buy the top of the last candle, buy the low of the
Mm-hmm.
candles before you. Go for 10, 15 points with decent size. And bang, way too late. Because
Yep, I have to look, and then it doesn't even allow me to go out. That's really one thing I don't like about trading on TradingView. That's the basically the only thing. On the rest, I got used to, but this lag and the slippage is way worse than on any other platform I experienced.
hmm, sick.
But okay, guys. Okay, I'm not sure for how long. Look at this bounce again, but this will be again now the opportunity to go short, if you ask me.
Yeah, I think it's good, especially if you got that 44 top of that candle. That would have been really nice. That would have been really nice. Oh, look at that instant drop.
Yeah.
My computer froze while it tried to catch up with that.
Seven, 17, yeah, four something, four something. That should be good. As well, 400's coming. There we go. Can we lose this finally? Can we lose this 25, 24? Make it 20.
Make it 18, make it 17.
Just that we drop below 20 and that's it. There we go. Come on. Yep. Yep. We can do it. We can do it finally. Yes. Yes. Halfway there. 20 more points.
There we go.
Mm-hmm. Finally, bro. Finally. And I don't even want to take partials. I will just wait for 400, really. Like, at 36, 16, for 36, and at 16, so I guess 20 points, I should take some profits. I should take some profits, but I think at this point, we're gonna just drop 40 limit buy. I won't be able to do so because of my full TP here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Finally. Full TP. Let's go for a full TP at 40.
Here we go.
Still tempted to take partials here. Nothing wrong with that, I think.
Close. Yeah, it's not bad.
And I click buy, and I click buy. Imagine that. I click buy and it bounces that exact moment.
Yeah,
Okay.
it knew what you were thinking.
Yeah. That's just next level. That's just next level.
Sorry, it's the third time it bounced into the 20s after going below it. I think this could be the last time.
I'm taking profits here. I'm trying at least. There we go. Oh, okay, thank you. I think I took too much out, but okay.
You profited and you can always re-enter if it doesn't want to go.
True. That's true. Took more out. I secured 2K. So I need two more.
Hmm.
Okay. Added here. Let's go. 400. Here we come.
Make it
We've,
all the way to 400. Let's see.
we've been patiently waiting. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Right, you're safely below the 420s.
Yep. 13 more points.
You still short?
Mm-hmm. I added on the bounce.
Nice.
So basically, my entry is at 422. Mm, those stands are providing some kind of a support now. Let's go 10 more points. Only 10 more points. Maybe just, yeah, of course. It would play, you know. Just, I just close it here. Close it here, 26, 51, 5, that's 5, 2.5. 2.5 I need, but now to 400, that's not it. That's not it. Oh my God, no. That was a slippage. That was a slippage. The slippage, bro. Like,
How many points? Was it like 2 whole points or
at
more than
2 points, more or less.
that? Nice.
Have to get stopped here, yeah. Okay. I mean, still good. Nothing crazy, but it completely ruins the position. And now I'm not. Okay. Okay. But you know, when the market order line does not follow the price action, it tells me everything I need to know.
Oh. Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. I'm stopped. Um, where are we sitting? 1700. Well, okay.
Yeah, we did it.
Not the best, not the worst. I will get the opportunity probably soon.
Yeah, yeah.
Very soon.
All right. What do you think? Should we call it?
I think we are ready to call it. Um,
Man. All right, yeah, because we had a pretty good session, y'all. We did nothing to go sideways, but finally we broke out of the bear flag that we watched.
yeah.
Patience, all set, just like the title.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. So thank you everyone for joining. Make sure you click that like button, subscribe button. We're gonna catch you up same time, same place tomorrow. And as always, remember, the price of patience is always less than the price of regret.